So today I'm going to be showing you how to assign a quiz on IXL. So when you log into your IXL, you will scroll to the top and click on Quizzes. Once you click on Quizzes, you are able to select this green button in the corner that says Create New Quiz. Now once you're taken here, you're going to select this top bar that says Select a Skill. For this example, we will be using math. We can click on grade level. Today, we can use the example of a second grade classroom. Here is where you'll see all of the categories for second grade. We'll go ahead and click on addition one digit. And just for the example today, we'll go ahead and click on the top one that says add one digit numbers, sums to 10. Now here it gave me this first question. I'm going to select this plus button right here to add 4 more to make a total of 5 questions. Once I do that, I'll click Add Questions. Okay, now it showed me 5 questions that are under that skill to add one digit number, sums to 10. Now, if for some reason you don't like one of your questions, you're able to select this button right here that says Generate a New Question. Once you do that, it will change it. And again, we'll go ahead and change that one as well. There we go. Once you're satisfied with your questions that you created for this skill, what I think is a great option is you click this plus sign right here. I can add more questions and change the skill. Now we can do add one digit numbers, sums to 20. Again, I will click 5 more so I can have a total of 10 questions. That's just what I like to do in my classroom personally. And here we go. Now I have 5 more questions that are sums to 20. Once I'm satisfied with my questions, I can go ahead and enter a quiz name. For the quiz name, I'll put addition, quiz, and I usually like to put the date. November 23rd. I'll go ahead and link the standards for the TEKS. This is second grade. And then once you're satisfied, you'll go ahead and put review and publish. Then it'll take you to this next screen, which is the second step. When you get to the second step, I like to change the question order from same for all students to randomized. And quiz manually, I do leave that one alone, but you can also select a time to stop the quiz. Results shown to students. After students submit, I do leave both of these where they can see their score and their correct answers, but that is something you are also able to change. Next, you're going to select students. Here, you're able to pick which students you would like to assign this quiz to, whether it's a select few for a small group or whether it's whole group for a check for understanding. You'll select all students if that's what it's going to be for. Finally, here, you're able to change whether you want this quiz to start today or whether you have another date in mind. I'll go ahead and put start quiz now. Now, when students log into their IXL, they are going to see this quiz up at the top from their stars that are assigned by teacher. There, they can go ahead and start the quiz, and you'll be able to see who is started and what their data and their score has become. Thank you so much, and I hope you use this skill in your classroom. Thank you.